Alright, we're back. We're back. Let's see what the markets are doing again now. Gold. Let's see, let's start from the top. Gold is still bullish. I was expecting gold to flip by now and push down. Maybe it's waiting for news in an hour. 4 hours bullish. So we did break the previous 4 hour low. We tapped into the daily flip and pulled back up. So this has happened like within the last 30 minutes. So we pushed up at 11:30, created a nice little support here. So I moved my support. So now we have a new range on gold, which is 80 pips. This support, I was expecting price to push up and tap the resistance, but it's taking its time. I don't know, I'm still bearish on gold. Anyway, let's see what this news does when it comes. So yeah, nothing there. GJ still in this range. East gold pushed a bit out of the range here. We had a closure below, but I didn't take it. I didn't really like it. It's the time I don't like as well. But GJ looks like we're gonna get the first closure below if this daily can actually stay bearish. But this is a very wicky area. I don't like it. Even with this closure below here, I still don't like it. I need a closure all the way below this support, 192.11. If I'm gonna look for any sells, I'm not gonna take the sells here. It's just too wicky. It's too wicky for me. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like. Okay, 4 hours pushing down. Hasn't broke the previous 4 hour low yet. Let's see if it does. And that's a good sign, it will continue down. Going backwards. Okay, daily's just, well, we know we're at the daily because the flip is there. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my time, no rush. We did close below, but like I said, I'm gonna wait for price to push below or close below this next support. This candle could still drive back up like a little fake out, but it has managed to do what these other candles haven't, and that's closing below this support here. But yeah, I'm not gonna have high hopes just yet until we clear this range completely, because I mean this candle pushed up, closed above, and then came right back down into this range. So same thing could happen down here. So we wait. Just gonna wait. We're still not clear of this range. Exactly. Still very much in it. Still very much inside this rangy area. But the crazy thing is, it's not like, even though we're in this range, price has still been moving. It's still been moving. So like even this candle here is like, what, 30 pips. Just gotta wait. Does look good to continue down though. It's like the first step in the breakout. It's like breakout 1. Closure below 1. Now we just need closure below 2. Come on, GJ, what are you doing? You're gonna drive down? You're gonna push down some more? Or you're gonna do a fake out? It would literally, if it pushes back up, it'll be the same thing that happened this morning. You closed in this wiki area. There was another resistance right above, and then it dropped back down into the range. Let's take a look at, while we wait for this candle to close, I'm going to take a look at what happened last time with news. So PPI was December 12th. December 12th at 1:30. Alright, let's see the impact on GJ. December 12th. December 12th. Okay, PPI we pushed down. It was good numbers, better than expected. So price was already falling. It was already bearish. Pushed down, had a little bit more of a push. NY open, push back up. And then fell at 3. Not sure if there was more news that day. At 3 o'clock, sometimes there's 3 o'clock news as well. Nope. Okay, let's take a look at gold. See what happened with gold. All right, gold. December 12th. PPI was very bearish for gold. We dropped and continued dropping. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna scroll all the way. So we'll see. Gold could, if the numbers are good and it's expected to have grown better than before, can be better than before, then that's good. Should have some gold sells. And also, if the DXY goes up, we might see GJ go down. So could we get the sells because of news on pound yen? It's not pushing back up into this range just yet. And it's not really driving down much either. Dun, dun, dun. Not another fake out. I don't know if it's gonna be a fake out this time. You know, I'm not super convinced. We only know it's a fake out once the candle closes, right? And right now it's not pushing down much, but it's also not pushing up much. So we don't know until the candle closes. Candle could close right where it's at, inside this second range. Yeah, we can anticipate, but we don't know for sure until we get that confirmation. So only way we know it's a fake out is if price pushes back up and closes back above this support in this range. But right now it ain't doing shit. What's gold doing? Gold's gonna break the previous 30-minute low, maybe push back down. Come on, GJ, what are you doing? Oh, finally breaking this support. Finally. But we've broken the previous 30-minute low, which is good. See what happens when we tap into this next support. Just gonna push down. We've got another support right below. Not too far below, but how big is this range right here? 14 pips. Finally, right? All right, we tapped into that level. We pulled up a little bit. I don't want it to break too early. it leaves a lot of time for rejection. But this support, there's a lot of supports below. It's a bit annoying. Kind of just really don't like selling into a support. That was the issue with here. Even though we got the closure below, it's another support right here. This closure now will have another support right below. Oh, GJ. There's too many supports. Too many. To 15's looking like. 15's looking good. Didn't close below though. This 15. See what this next one does. But we're falling. Finally falling. I was going to be cautious because there's news as well. So I need the closure. I do need the closure below this 30-minute support down here. Because I don't want to sell into it. We still have this rejection wick to the left. So yeah, I'm just going to be super cautious. And just wait. Check on gold. Gold is kind of chilling. Dum, 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 dum. GJ, behave. Come on. Just keep closing below these supports, please. Keep an eye on the 15. 15 didn't break the previous low. Not yet. Alright, last 10 minutes of the 30-minute candle, 10 minutes to the hour. Let's start the moving. Let's go. I think the 4 hour looks good to keep going down. I'm just hoping it doesn't leave a wick in this area like the rest of them have. But this is the first one to break a previous 4 hour low. But this one did break the high and come back down, so you never know. Gold's not looking like much. Just waiting on volume at this point. Just waiting on volume. So GJ needs to clear all these wicks. New should do the job. Facts. Facts. Blue should. Would be nice. Struggling at this support here though. What I don't want is a support at a previous support. I want it to close below. I don't want it to hold price. So they're slowing down. No, I think it'll drop. I think we'll get a little drop. There we go. It's good. I want it to happen towards, you know, the candle actually closing. Finally, finally, finally. Alright, just stay down here for 4 minutes and we're good. Good, good, good. All right, if we can break this next support, I'm looking for some sells. As long as it doesn't flip back up. As long as it doesn't flip back up. I think the news will be bearish for GJ. Like last time. Alright, 2 minutes. Let's get this closure below. This last support. Beautiful, beautiful. Damn, it's not going to get the closure, is it? You never know. Just less than 2 minutes. Daily is finally bearish. Now let's see if it fills this wick. Continues to drop. Gold, nothing. Still in this range. Nah, gold's not going to give me that closure below. No sweat, no sweat. I mean GJ. After the news we'll get a closure. Yeah, seems so. Seems so. Been waiting this long. Oh no, not the 1 o'clock candle just driving down. Oh, come on. No top wick as well. It's bad business. No top wick for us. Come on. Do us better than that. Whoa. Oh, GJ's gone, man. It's gone. It's gone. Right. It's a shame. No top wick. Maybe if I at least gave a top wick, could have thought about some sells. It is. It is. I mean, once it closed in this area, the sales did look good because that's the first time we've closed below this support in this wiki area. And then, you know, we pushed down here. This was a good closure, definitely. You know, we broke the 4-hour lows. Daily's bearish now. 4 hours very bearish. Was kind of looking for that on the previous 4-hour candle, like a resistance to form for the sales, but obviously it kept on, it stayed bullish, and then the next candle is the one that's forming the resistance. But structure wise, obviously looking at the 4 hour, it looked, you could see there was a resistance coming. Just didn't know which 4 hour candle was going to make it. Well, my concern is there's no top wick here, which isn't a bad thing. Sometimes that just means that there's a lot of selling pressure. And price just, yeah, comes straight down. Let me see if there's a top wick on my broker, because sometimes that happens. Nope. Straight down on all brokers. Oh, we're still falling. GJ. Then we're gonna just wait for us a little bit. Could have filled the whole range before we even get some. Cold. DJ is gone. It will always give you continuation candle. I hope so. I hope so. Let's see. It's blasting through all these little minor supports right here. And gold's pushing up. Oh. DJ just keeps on closing these ranges up too quick for my liking. Like, I was looking forward to this big range down here at 50 pips. Already 20 pips into it. Now I'm thinking stop loss as well. So you have to consider the stop loss. Oops, get rid of that. Can't use the previous 15 for a stop loss. I mean, you can. Probably could actually. 26 pips, but see how further this goes. It's really driving down. Yeah, it's not really, it's just about a 1-to-1. 28 down to 28. Nah, GJ's, it's pushed down too much in the range for me to even take sells right here. Push down a bit too much in this range. Yeah, hopefully we get that continuation candle. You know, break up this structure a little bit. Gold's pulling back. I like this pullback, a little bit of a pullback. This is good, this is good. It's not just going straight down. Alright, I want to see this 15. Because the 15's tapped into a few levels down here. I still think we're going down. But if you call this like a rejection area, all these wicks we have down here on the 15. Any prediction on the news? What did I say earlier? Shit. So last time the news was good. It came out better than expected. GJ dropped. It wasn't nothing crazy. It pushed down. The next candle pulled back up, and then the 3 o'clock candle. By 3 o'clock, price had dropped again. So maybe no impact. I mean, after this move, I can't see much happening. It's not as impactful as CPI, this PPI news. It will move for gold, of course. It will move for gold, but GJ, I don't know. Now GJ, we pulled back. It's quite a rejection. 15-minute closed above this support and this 15 support. It's a nice little pullback. What are you trying to tell us, GJ? We're going back up? Man, this price action is something else. Got this wiki area down here. Oh, GJ, what are we doing? Talk to me. You think gold sells for the news? Not sure about GJ? Okay. Okay. Okay, you think his gold sells too? If it's good numbers. What about GJ? Well, typically if GJ... It's more about the USD, I think, for pound yen than gold at this point. So if the dollar goes up, it gets stronger. The yen also gets stronger. Because I think it's as a safe haven currency. They're both safe havens. So I believe they would both move in the same direction. But I'm not 100% on that. So don't quote me. But that's kind of what I think. Okay, so the 15-minute tap this broken support. Are you going back down or what you doing? We've got 11 minutes till we find out. Gold's not really giving any sign of what it wants to do. It's just ranging. I mean, it's kind of producing a downtrend structure, I guess. It's making lower highs, lower lows. So, yeah, I think gold will sell. Looks more sellish. All right. I hope we get enough of a bottom wick so that if what I want is a top wick and then entry at the break of the lows, but I want there to be enough of a bottom wick so that there's enough time to get in. So it'd be good if it pulls back a little bit and leave a nice, decent sized wick. And then give us a stop loss as well using the entry candle wick. That'll be good. All right, 3 minutes to go. No, give me more of a wick. Oh, GJ, you're killing me. You're killing me. What's gold over here doing? Just kind of chilling. And GJ is just dropping. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this thing's gonna drop. Spreads are widening. Ooh. Spreads are going crazy. Oh, gold's going up. Gold's going up, dollar's coming down. What does that mean for GJ? GJ's pushing up. Does it retrace though? I don't know if it retraces. Broker's going crazy. Might have to wait for the next candle, you know? I don't like the state of that. I don't like this the way it looks over here. And with gold, it's not breaking this resistance. It's good if it is creating an upper wick. Only thing with GJ is this support is only 17, less than 20 pips away. That's my issue with GJ right now. So I was hoping it would pull up before the news. It's good if it flips and drives. Yeah, it's just a bit too tight for me. There we go, GJ. Let's see if it breaks below this support. If I get that closure below, I'm in. It's like the story of my life today. Every minute waiting for closures. Look at gold. Tapped that resistance area and dropped. Let's see what the data came out as. So, bad numbers. Oh, what did I press? Bad numbers. Missed. That's why a dollar went down. Makes sense. So it should be bad for the dollar. I'm glad I didn't get into this trade. I'm gonna wait. Drop down 14 pips. If I'd got in, I definitely would have held to at least this support. Didn't quite make it. I'd be in a bit of drawdown now. But look, 23 pips, 24 pip stop loss to get minimum 18 pips. Yeah, not for me. Not for me. All right. So GJ, is it going to give us a nice bearish candle or indecision candle? Is it going to form a support, push back up? Or are we going to push down, close below? What are we going to do? $120. Yeah, this is too much indecision here for me right now. Even the gold cells don't look wonderful. Just bounced off the daily flip again. It's been doing that all morning. I did want gold to fill this. Wow. It's listening. I was gonna say I did want gold to fill this gap. So I guess it's filling the gap. Perfect. GJ, what are you gonna do? Because gold's made up his mind. Looks like GJ support is holding. Might be, you know, might be. It's still too early to tell. Still have 20 minutes left of this candle. Still got a long way to go. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. Filled the wick, came back up. Wow. Alright, GJ, we breaking this support or what? What are we doing? What are we doing? Good, good, good. Pushing. Alright, let's get this closure below, GJ. Don't form a support and go back up. Come on. I mean, to be honest, this is not relevant no more. That's not. If it did decide to form a support, then we have this whole range here. For it to retrace. But I kind of don't see the retracement happening. Oh, for those who's back, what's happening? You in any trades? I know you're like a swing trader, right? Been holding sell since this morning? Holding buy since yesterday? What's the move? See what this 15 is looking like. Yeah, what happened? Where you been? I know you haven't not had electricity this whole time. Oh, trading oil. Yeah, oil is kind of like gold. For me, the fundamentals are a little bit different. You have to be checking oil reserves and gas storage. And it's different countries. You have to pay attention to what's going on there. That's why I never really messed with oil. Gold, I understand at least the fundamentals a bit. So it helps when I'm trading it. That and it being a hedge against the dollar. Yeah, it just makes it a bit easier for me. Okay, GJ. So we formed a support on the 15, pushing up. So GJ's pushing up, huh? I hope anyone didn't get slapped by those cells. Patience is really paying today, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Patience is paying. Okay, good, good. Oof, $10,000. Yeah, I'll take a break if I lost that much in one go. Definitely. It's a Serious GJ retracement right here. Let's see how this candle closes. I was thinking about, nah, not even a continuation pattern. It's pushed up too much. But, you know, still 12 minutes left. Let me look at the daily. Has it tapped into anywhere significant? Kind of a daily key level around here. Hasn't managed to fill this daily wick. Back to basics. Let's get it. Wow, even gold's pushing back up. Some tricky markets today. So Mickey, what about you? So far so good with gold and GJ? Yeah. Do you know what? It's been more pound yen than gold. I have caught a couple gold moves. Yeah, it's been pretty even, to be honest. But I think more pound yen is giving me better trades. But I did catch like 50 pips on gold yesterday, so that was nice. If I see a clean move on gold, I'll take it, but GJ just seems to be a bit cleaner for me. Looks like it's coming for this top wick. Yeah, gold's not giving me anything right now. Let's see how this GJ 30-minute closes. But now we have this. If we get a support here, then we've got a new range on pound yen. So we have this whole area. There'll be support here. And then we've got this clean range back up. But if I want sells, then I need a push up, a resistance, and then sells back down. I need some market structure. Good old market structure, eh? Oh, you made 10,000 from 1,500. You want revenge? Hey, revenge trading. I mean, revenge trading is never good, but I understand wanting to get that loss back. Just stay consistent. Don't force any moves. That's the best way. Slowly but surely. Take your best setups. Only A+++ trades. Best way to do it. Gold's not doing nothing just yet. Did you blow the account? Oh, we took to photos. GJ. I would love to take buys back up. Oh, full margin. Yeah, that will do it. that will definitely blow the account. We'll take a big chunk out of it. But what was I saying? Yeah, GJ. So next candle is a new 4-hour candle opening. So we could fill this wick, respect this resistance, or we could form a support and push up. You know, I don't like to take, if I was taking buys, I need at least one of the higher time frames with me. So it'd have to be at least a bullish 4-hour or a bullish daily. And right now I have neither of those. So just gonna have to wait it out. But I do like the idea of buying up through this range again. Right, we did fill this range overall. Well, right now, pound yen is kind of bullish, just based on yesterday's candle. Pushing up from this daily area. So the weekly's bearish, but we pushed up from a weekly support. So I can imagine the weekly flipping bullish and, you know, pushing up from here. We have CPI tomorrow morning, GBPJPY. And we have GDP on Thursday morning, retail sales on Friday. So, you know, tapping a weekly level and then pushing up from there for the rest of the week sounds good. Now this next candle could just open and drive down. So let's see. What's gold doing? Okay, gold's coming back down. Daily gonna stay bearish this time. It needed to make more of a bottom wick as well on gold. Didn't have much of a bottom wick. I don't think it did have a bottom wick. I think it opened and just drove straight up. Yeah, pretty much. Six to 8 months to get that back, yeah. How long were you growing your account for? How long did it take you to grow that 1500 to 10,000? Because that's a good, what? How much percentage is that? 100% would be 3 grand. It's about 300%. 400%, something like that. No, it's at least time for, yeah, about nearly 600%. It's like a year's worth. Yeah, about 6 to 8 months. Okay, GJ is going to give us a continuation candle. Almost 9 months. Oh, it's like starting from the beginning again. Did you take any withdrawals at least? Because you got to withdraw some. No point making all that money and not getting any use out of it. Because it's all good compounding. Like, I definitely believe in compounding. That's what I do. But you have to take out some every week or every month at least. Oh, Trump. Yo, Trump being in office is going to be a crazy 4 years in the markets. It's going to be a crazy 4 years. His tweets definitely have some impact. So you got to have some alerts on Trump tweets. Okay, GJ, so we didn't close with a strong support. So weak bullish candle. So it looks like we're going to have a nice continuation pattern. So maybe some more sells. Pound yen. Okay, that's good, that's good. Just a profit. Oh yeah, continuation candle. GJ, we continuing down. Yep, looks so. Looks like we might be. Fill this previous wick. Or it could just be a 1 hour bottom wick. Too indecisive for me, man. I don't know where the market wants to go right now. We're in the middle of this range. Got a support right below. Got a weak bullish candle. New 4 hour starting. Need some more information. I want it to push up, not to retrace this whole move, but to give me a nicer range so I can sell from a resistance back down, as long as we stay bearish on the daily. So I just want a bit of a retracement. Something like, break this high, push up, maybe retest this support, and then sell back down. Alright, retest this, maybe this support here, this broken one. Because for me, that's the one that mattered. It's a little retest, and then flip, come back down. So gold closure below. $26 pips away from the support with a 35 pip stop loss. Oh, rough day. Rough day in the office. Anyone catch anything? Anyone catch anything today? You got gold sales earlier, nice. Nice, nice. Most likely a break of these lows. Yeah, I don't like gold right now. I think gold will give a move later. GJ's got a wick to fill both sides. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. I don't think anything's going to happen. I won't get a move in the next 30 minutes. I know that for sure. I don't want to be until 3. But I will be in the Discord. So I think yesterday's discussion was good. You know, looking for the buys back up yesterday in the Discord. There's a lot of back and forth, whether it go up or or come back down or fake outs. So it's very productive. I like to keep an eye on it, at least the charts. So yeah, I'll be in the Discord, but you know what I'm looking for. Pull up, a bit of a retracement, make a resistance to sell back down, or if we close back into this range and the daily flips bullish, I might consider looking at buys, because we did break the daily high already. We haven't broken a daily low, so flipping bullish and pushing up is it's not off the table completely. It's not off the table completely, but you know, still got 7-8 hours to go. A lot can happen then. So yeah, guys, if I don't see you in the Discord, I'll see you tomorrow morning for CPI. It should be fun. Peace out.